Okay, so we're looking at the new Hearth and Hand collection at Target, and you see they have some Stanleys and some really nice fall colors, and I love the one that looks like a sweater. It looks so pretty, and they have this one that's like a coffee mug, and then they have the tumbler, the regular tumbler in all three shades. They have the red, the sweater, and the, it looks white but it says it's macadamia tan. And then they have some nice blankets and pillows. This is an interesting picture. It's not my favorite, but it's interesting for sure. I think this is something you could find at the thrift store, so you could probably save a couple dollars on that. I love the candles this season. They look so pretty. I love the way that the candle vase is shaped. It's so beautiful. And then they have a bunch of different scents. So this one that I'm looking at is eucalyptus, and they have honey, chestnut, and apple cider. And then they have it in the bigger sizes that are $30. And then they have a bunch more different types of candles and scents. And they have this interesting oval mirror, and as well as it's a floral arrangement and a vase, but you could also do it yourself because they have the vases and the dried florals inside of Target, so you could do it yourself and have it mixed. And then they have a candle snuffer that's so cute for decorating on your coffee table or on a bookshelf. And these amber jugs are so beautiful. We have some actually that are pretty similar, so we are not going to be buying those this season. And then they have this rattan box, which is cool because you could put that kind of anywhere. You could put that on the table and store your remotes in there, so that way it's not out. Oh, I got out of it. Let's go back up. They have some really beautiful pillows. Here's one that's interesting. It is heathered beige, a square heathered beige pillow. And I love how that looks on the couch. It looks so pretty. It adds a lot of nice like texture. They have a bowl, a napkin holder, a French coffee press, and then they have beautiful kitchen ware. They have dish sets. This is really interesting. It kind of looks like one of those the honey thing, but it's for salt and pepper. And they have some glasses, drinkware, these burgundy napkins, bowls. We got these berry bowls. So pretty. I love how they look. I think that they are a little bit smaller in person. That's the only thing. So you kind of gotta like beware of certain things that you think are gonna be a little bit bigger, but they end up being smaller. This dessert tray is so pretty. The jute, I love the jute placemat. The oil and vinegar, that's a nice set. And we seen this teapot in the store, and it's really pretty, but it might be a little bit dangerous when you're pouring it, just because of how the spout looks. But it's nice. And these plates are really, really nice. And it's a whole set. They have the I'm trying to look for it. So they have a whole set of it. Oh, they don't have the bowl. It's just like the plate where the edge is up.
They have the flat plates and the plate with a small edge.
Yeah. They don't have bowls at all.
No, they don't.
No. And then they have like a serving bowl, and that's really nice. the tissue box, if you're into that type of thing. This is really pretty, this blanket. Oh, it's a runner. That's nice. We have the runner from last season, so that's probably what we're gonna use. And then they have this really nice lumbar pillow. I love it. For like just like a little bit more color, that would look really nice with some orange pillows. Then they have the whites, that's gray and white, and this is cool. Like if you have a bathtub, you can use this with your little things and it'll look really cute. And what's that? That's another candle. And then we got, do we have these napkin rings? Is that the ones you bought? The wood ones. And then they have the florals, a lot of florals. We're gonna DIY a wreath and see how that comes out, but the wreaths are really pretty. And they had a really nice picture that we seen in the store. It had like flowers on it, right?
It's blue flowers. It's $10. It's really nice.
And then they have pillow covers. I guess if you don't want the whole pillow, or if you have a pillow at home, you could just like use what you have and get the cover. And there's kitchen towels, a blanket. Love the blankets. This one is really pretty. That's a nice that green. That's a really pretty green blanket. It's like everybody usually goes for like the warm tones, like the orange and the red, but green is nice for fall too. I like that.
It's soft and color.
Yeah, it looks nice. And then there's this candle that I love. I don't know if I've seen it in the store or not, but it's really pretty. And their candles all like pretty much smell really good. You'll have no problem finding a candle in a scent that you like. I really like that burgundy throw, and the pot holder is really cool. And then they got a bunch more like kitchen stuff, like rags, more blankets. Can't go wrong with any blanket you choose. That looks really nice. This the burgundy woven blanket with that pillow, that burgundy pillow, that's a nice combination. I think I would put them together. They do have them together. They have them pictured together. That's really pretty. And then there's more candles. Oh, we have these are really cool.
But I got really small.
Yeah, they are really small, but they are really nice. These canisters are so beautiful. They would definitely fit like a lot of things. You could put powder in there, like flowers or whatever, or cookies. Cookies would go really nice in there. This is a nice picture. This like brown is so beautiful. It's called Pumpkin Brown. It's a nice name. And then I think they had the matching cups, like it was the same color. This is really pretty. This cup and plate set. I really like that. This espresso cup, so it's probably like really small, made for like, you know, like a short drink. This is beautiful, this cup.
It doesn't even have any more today. It's going so fast.
It says there's 5 left.
Oh yeah, I can see it.
And then there's more wreaths. But it's nice because they have like, the wreaths are preserved flowers this year. They're not plastic. I'm sure they have like faux arrangements, but this year it's preserved, which we want to do our own DIY. I do want to get this little dish. It's so cute. You could kind of put it by the sink, by the bed, take your rings off, your earrings, whatever you have on. They're really small. They're about this big. And they're $5. I really like this little clock. That's so cute on like a bookshelf or a nightstand. I think I'm scrolling through some of the old stuff. Oh, I don't know if this is new or not, but I did see this in the store and I did think this was really nice. You can see it with that little pepper and salt container. Those are cute. And then there's they placed garlic and onions on top of that, but that's really cute. I thought that would be really nice in the kitchen. Oh, they have coasters, but this could just be their regular stuff. Like, I don't think this is their seasonal stuff. Like, this is their cookbook. I mean, this is the book stand for their cookbook. I haven't seen it in Target anymore, their book. Oh, here it is. It's her recipes. But look, and then in the background, it's on a different book stand.
Maybe that's an old one.
I kind of like that one better.
Yeah. The old?
Yeah, that metal one.
Oh, okay.
Candles are nice. They're really beautiful. I love the shape that they did this year.
Those are
That
the new
fluted
ones.
shape.
That scallop shape for the new ones, the dark colors.
Yeah. And then these two. This is the one for this year. That's so pretty. It looks like a flower when you're looking at it. And then what's this? Oh, that's their pictures. There was a piece of art that I did like. This one. But didn't have it in the store. And it says shipping not available. So I'm not going to get it. But that's okay. I did see somebody do kind of like a DIY. They went to the thrift store. And then they found a piece of art from the Dollar Tree. And they made that look really nice. And it was similar. But they got a bunch of different things. Okay, let's see. Then they got the foliage collection. And let's see. Other scalloped bowls, which are beautiful. And they have this spoon rest. And those are $4.99. And then they have the scalloped plates. And this is a serving bowl, it says. Yeah, serving bowl. So they have two types. They have the pedestal, and then they have one that's more flat, like a plate. Oh, they have nursery stuff. That's so cute.
That's a beautiful.
It's so cute. And they got blankets. Oh, the milestone thing. I never did that. I never stuck with it.
You can always do it because you have old pictures.
Oh, this is so cute.
You can do it with Canva.
It's a bunny and a duck, or like a goose. That's so simple though that like we could probably make that.
Yeah.
But it's really cute. And then I like this look.
With the white one.
Hot air balloon. That's $50. Look, a shelf. $35 for that
I
shelf.
fell in love with the truck. I don't think I showed it, but that truck was so nice.
No. Look at the rocking chair. So cute. And then... Okay, so now we're getting into more things. The ramekins, I already showed that. And the berry bowls, love them. Love the picture. And I love the napkins. What is that? The table runner's pretty too. Let's see what it looks like on the table. Okay, that's nice. I don't really like that whole set that they got going on, but it's nice. And then, oh, look at those dining chairs. I wonder if the high chairs are this collection, because it looks like it. It looks similar. Okay. Then they got more floral arrangement, plates, cups. Oh, I saw this online and I was obsessed with it. This yeah, salt and pepper grinder. And they got 2 different sizes. And they're this nice copper color. Like, look how nice it looks with 2 the same size. So pretty. But it looks just as nice. One smaller than the other. And they are 2 different sizes, 2 different prices, because they are 2 different sizes. And then I think this is a candle holder for the big candle, yeah. And then they have that for like a little I don't know what that type of candle's called, candlestick. And then they got this carafe, little carafe set. Yeah, it says it's out of stock. Notify me when it's back in stock.
That's a good gift because it's glass.
Yeah.
I like that.
They got this jute charger. Love these mini tongs. That's great. Like if you're doing like a little cheese board, that's great for that. And then they have a chambray woven table runner, a natural jute braided table runner, and that's gonna look really nice. Put some orange pumpkins on top of that. Now, I mean, I don't really like what they did because it just looks too flat. You see, it looks like too like neutral. So now we have they said it's called the rust runner. And then the matching napkins. Okay. And then we're going into like a bunch of the other stuff that we saw. But they do have some really nice plates. Oh, this is the color that they came out with for the fall season. I don't know if they're going to come out with something for Christmas maybe. But they came out with the pot and it's called pumpkin brown, and it does look more pink than brown, but it is really, really pretty and it's beautiful in person. And the half a quart is tiny. It's like the smallest thing, but it is nice. It's $15, and then they had the white one was on sale the other day, a few days ago. It was like $7, I think, right? Something like that. And then the 5 quart is $50 for both sizes. And then they have this canister. I already showed it, but it's the canister and it's really pretty. So yeah, I think that's it. They do have some really beautiful things, and I think some things are kind of always there, but these things that I just showed are the fall collection. So if you want this canister or the Dutch oven or the pepper grinder thing, if you want any of those things, then you should probably go to the store soon or order it, so that way you don't miss out on this year's collection, because it's gonna go, because it already is, it's going fast. So thanks so much for watching our video, and we will see you next time.